Welcome back to another special session of Accessible Computing. Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. So welcome everyone in this special video, special session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the summer vacation offer, which we have recently launched, recently published. The PDF file, which you can find in our official Telegram channel. So in this video or in this session, I'm going to discuss about the complete offer details, including terms and conditions and all. So this video will be, I think, 10 minutes to 15 minutes, I think 5 to 10 minutes minimum. And I will tell you why you should choose us for your training. So before going to the main video or mainstream, I'd like to introduce myself and also about the accessible computing. Myself, Ratul, and I am from Kolkata. I'm a Bengali people, and currently I'm working as second income consultant and online business coach. And also I have started this accessible computing in 2017 to help the blind people. So this is small about accessible computing. Those who are associated accessible computing with us in official Telegram channel or group or wherever, so you have already know about me, about our motto. So basically we are helping people through the lens of technology. So that's why we have started the YouTube channel and we started to upload many tutorials, videos, etc., etc. After that, this year, I mean 2020, yes, 2020, 2021, from 2021, we have started some courses. First, we have started basic HTML courses, and then we have started GoldWave courses. Now we have 3 courses. So you can take the course, you can attend the training from us, and you will be tech user. If you are new to computer or new to Android or wherever, no problem, you can take help from us. So today basically we have launched a summer vacation offer. Before going to the offer presentation or offer PDF, I would like to share one more thing, that people who are suffering in blindness have a problem, like they don't get proper source, or sometimes they don't have so much money to learn from experts. That's why accessible computing has decided to provide the trainings with nominal charges and nominal costs, which can bear by everyone. And now we are providing courses in India only, but we have a plan to expand our training field to other countries also. So let me share the screen, then I will tell you the details. So now I think you can see my screen, and this is the PDF which I have uploaded in our Telegram channel. So first, we want to introduce that we have 3 courses. So there are 3 courses. First course is computer basic course. Second is GoldWave with screenreader course. GoldWave is a sound editing, basic sound editing course. And also third is basic HTML course, where you can learn how a website runs and how you can also create a website. Okay, front development or front end development of a website, you can easily learn from us. So now let's discuss about the summer vacation offer. So summer vacation offer by Accessible Computing, we are providing up to 40% instant discount on our courses, every courses, up to 40%, and the course details will be mentioned in that PDF. But before going to the course, why you should choose accessible computing? Because accessible computing is not a registered company or registered NGO or registered organization. We just are YouTube, not just a YouTube team, but we are working as a team. So why you believe us, why you join us, why you should choose accessible computing for your training purpose? First thing, you choose accessible computing, learn from home. Wherever you are, don't worry, no problem. Accessible computing is always ready to provide solution for everyone who take the training from accessible computing, because we always, all of our trainings are conducted from home. You can take all the trainings from home. So first is learn from home, because many of the registered organization, suppose the organization is not presented in your local city or local area, you are not able to take the training. But in the case of accessible computing, you no matter where you are. Okay. Second thing, one-to-one interaction sessions. Accessible computing provides one-to-one trainings. So in the training hall or training room, you and your trainer, no other third party, even no host, like no whatever, no admins or no upper level associates are there. Only you and your trainer. So you can clear all of your doubts. You can friendly with your trainer. You can learn from him or her, whatever. Okay, so this is a big chance. Third thing is convenient time. So you can choose as per your convenience and your trainer convenience. No matter, you can choose from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m., 7 p.m. to 8 p.m., or you can also choose only Saturday, Sunday, whatever you can choose. Okay, no matter. Okay, then convenient language, we are providing all the trainings in 3 languages: Bengali, English, or Hindi. Whatever language you can understand, you can take the training, though today's session is only in English. Okay, so we are providing 3 languages training, 3 languages. Okay, personal coaching for doubt clearing. If you have any doubts, any queries, your trainer will answer. You don't need to put in our official group or our Facebook group or whatever. Your trainer will always coach you, always help you if you have any problems, any doubts. Next is lifetime support. We have Telegram groups. So if you join our Telegram groups, you will get lifetime support from us without any extra cost. And the last but not the least, you can join us as affiliate partner, and you can also earn a remuneration by recommending others accessible computing. So friends, currently accessible computing is not registered, so we are not able to provide any certificate, but we have a plan to register. That's why we have conducted paid courses. So the money which which you will pay for the course is going to our development, and it's going to our what I can say, development of the organization, development of the training, development our team, everything. Okay, so you can help us by purchasing any course. Okay, so now let's come to the offer terms and conditions. Okay, before going to this, I would like to share one thing. Those who are interested to know about affiliate marketing, like how to join as an affiliate partner in accessible computing, let me know into the comment section or join our official Telegram channel, because I have a plan to discuss about our affiliate program in another Zoom meeting. So don't forget to join our Telegram channel. Okay, so first is this offer is only for valid for blind and visually impaired users. Remember, accessible computing only provides the training who are print disabilities or who are person with disabilities, especially blind and visually impaired. Okay, so this offer does not collapse with other schemes. The offer valid from May 1st, 2022 to 31st May 2022, and only for India. It's not mentioned, but now currently the offer is only available for India. Discount is applicable as per our convenience mentioned below. So here you can see a chart of discounted rates and courses details. Okay, I will tell you, no matter, no problem. Okay, so payment must be done in one installment. Accessible computing have the opportunity to pay your fees. Some of courses you can pay 2 to 3 times, but to take the advantage of offer, you have to pay the price at once. Accessible computing holds the rights to change / update or withdraw any policy at any of time. Okay, so you can read this, you can check it out. Now comes to the courses and details. So first is basic computer with screenreader, where you can learn concepts of computer, MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, browser and email, downloads and internet search, concepts of website. You can get a basic concepts of how a websites run or how a browser reaction with websites. Okay, and application. So 3 months, the course duration is 3 months. You will get 3 sessions in a week. Okay, 1 hour sessions. Every session contains 1 hour, 3 sessions in a week, and the total duration is 3 months. Okay, the regular price is 2,500 rupees, and you will get it 20% off. So the price is only on 2,000 rupees. That's great. 20% off on basic computer course, which you can get only on 2,000 rupees. After that, GoldWave with basic, screen reader. So those who are interested in sound engineering, they can do a basic sound engineering course, basic sounding course, where you will get installation, recording, editing, mixing and mastering, vocal editing, effects, tips to produce professional qualities, everything about GoldWave you can learn. The course duration is 1 month, 4 sessions of 90 minutes. Okay, 4 sessions. In every sessions you will get 90 minutes, 1 or 2 90 minutes. Okay, so after that, the regular price of this course is 1,500 rupees, and currently you will get it 1,125 rupees, 25% off. Now the course is 25% off. You will get it 1,125 only. Okay, third course is getting started with HTML. Here you will learn concepts of website, basic page, front-end development, hosting, domain and hostings, links, tables, images, servers, live web page. You can create your own website with subdomains. Okay, this also contains 1 month, 4 sessions, 90 minutes sessions. Every sessions contain 90 minutes. It costs 2,000 rupees, but up to 40% off. So you can get it only on 1,200 rupees in summer vacation offer. It's a 40% discount. So these are the offers, and if any session missed or if any technical issues, then we will make up also it, because we have the training policy or like course policy, which you can visit in our official website. Okay, so these all are the courses which we have provided, and we have already told you that what are the benefits of accessible computing. Now I think you can choose, you can trust us, because we have already completed 2 batches, 2 trainees who have taken classes, and we will post soon the proof in our official YouTube channel, Facebook page and Telegram. So I'm very, very happy and very, very thankful to you for supporting us, for liking us, for commenting us. So friends, do you want to learn basic HTML or computer course or GoldWave? Please don't forget to contact with us. You can email us. You can directly register in our official website. The official website is accessiblecomputing.blogspot.com. The link is given in the description below. So friends, share this video with your friends and social media groups, because this video can help a lot, because the course price is very, very low, starting from 1,125 rupees, which is GoldWave course, and I think 2,000 rupees for your computer course, and 1,200 rupees is for your HTML course, complete HTML course. So whatever course you can choose, you can fill up the form, and after completion the course, you can be joined as affiliate to earn commission. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.